Tubers, what's up? It's your boy Garrick. I hope you're having a happy hair day. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the blades on your BaByLiss foil shaver. You want to watch this because it's easy, but there's a special method that I got for you. Hit it. What's up, my dog? Hey, so you have the BaByLiss foil shaver. Foil shaver is good for getting the stubbles on your face after you shave. Now, you can use it for your goatee, you can use it for your beard, you can use it for your bald head, you can use it for your knuckles if you want to. Now, I don't know why you need to shave your knuckles, but some people are into that type of stuff. But if you have the foil shaver, one of the things that happens with the foil shaver is the blade can break, the cover can mess up, and when that happens, it's time to replace it. I'm going to show you when you know it's time to replace it, then I'm going to show you how you replace it. Let's get into it. Guys, here's my BaByLiss foil shaver. As you can see, I had this thing for a while now. You can see little nicks and knacks on it, but that just goes to show that it's been in use. The number one thing when you know that you have to change the cover on your foil shaver is look at this. If you notice the teeth are missing right here, that lets me know that it's time to change the cover on the foil shaver. This can actually cut you. So if you're doing your bald head, you're doing your beard, you're getting the stubbles off, the hairs can catch into this and now cause you to cut and to bleed, and nobody wants to bleed. I'm going to take this off. That's very easy to do. Just press this and take it off. I'm also going to replace these blades right here because if I'm going to replace the cover, I might as well replace the blades too. I got some new ones and they're sharper and they're going to cut better. Here's a replacement right here. I ordered this off Amazon. I'll include the link for you guys. It's not expensive. It's under $25. Now, it also comes with these two blades right here so you can replace the blades, and I'll show you how to do it. Very, very easy. Don't stress yourself out. Let's get into it. To take these blades off, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is just use your muscles. Just pops off easy. One more time, use your muscles, grab it, and it just pops off that easy. While I'm going to replace the blades, I'm going to go ahead and clean it. I'll show you two different ways of how you can clean. First way is you can easily grab a clipper toothbrush and just get all the dirt off. Second way is if you don't want to get your hands dirty, you can get this air duster and clean it off that way. Me personally, I prefer the brush because it gets it cleaner and it's way easier. Now let me show you how to put the blades on. They make it easy for you. You see this right here? It has the line in the middle. And your blade, when you turn it over, look at it, when I turn it over, it has the line right there. It has the metal line. So all I'm going to do is just line this thing up like I'm a kindergartner. Just put it on there, line it up, press down hard. Give it a test. There you know it's on. So I'm gonna grab the second one. I'm gonna do the same thing. You see this line right here? I'm going to line it up. I'm going to press down hard. You hear that snap? You see that, guys? That's easy peasy. No need to stress yourself out. Now these blades, they're brand new, spanking brand new. You don't have to oil them or anything. A lot of people ask me, do you have to oil the blades? You do not have to oil these blades. You grab your cover, and all you're doing, remember, you line it up. You see this part right here, a little semicircle. You line it up with the circle right here. Bam. That's all you're doing. Bam. Now it's replaced. Now all I do is turn it on, and I'm good to go. I'm ready to go ahead and shave me. Now, guys, let's test it out. I already shaved this side with my trimmer. I'm gonna grab my foil shaver, turn it on. Bam, there you have it. Smooth as a baby's bottom. All I wanted to do is get the stubbles off. So now you know how to replace your blade and the cover for your foil shaver. I'll leave a link in the description for the BaByLiss foil shaver, the replacement, and the toothbrush. Guys, there you go. Enjoy your shave. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Ciao.